Students, we have completed our syllabus for the first unit test, and we have started doing the revisions also in our class. And right now we are doing the revision also from the chapter number 4, vulgar fractions. Okay, we have discussed one problem sum, and we have started also doing another sum from your exercise number 18, page number 47, sum number 18. Okay, I will just dictate the question and I will tell you all that how we will move ahead with the sum. Okay, so let's see what is the question given. What portion of a piece of cloth will be left after cutting off 1 by 4, 1 by 8 and 1 by 16 portions from it? Okay, that means students, I'm just drawing the diagram here. I've just written two statements. I will explain also, don't worry. This is your piece of the cloth. Okay, one big cloth. Okay, and you have cut off 1 by 4. This is your 1 by 4 portion. Suppose this is your 1 by 8 and this is your 1 by 16 portions. Okay, these three portions. Okay, so you have been asked what is the length of the cloth remaining. Okay, what portion of the piece of cloth will be left after cutting off all these fractions of all these portions? So you have to find out the length of this remaining part. Clear to all? What you have to find out? Repeating once again, you have to find out the piece of cloth left after cutting off all these portions. Clear? So let's see what we have done till here. As usually, I have assumed that let the length of the piece of the cloth be x. Okay, x, suppose x meter. Okay, you can also write x meter. And what was my second statement? So the portions that were cut off from the cloth are 1 by 4 of the cloth. First fraction is what? 1 by 4 of the cloth. That means I can write it as x by 4. Isn't it? 1 by 4 of the length of the cloth means what? 1 by 4th of the length of the piece of the cloth. That means 1 by 4 of x. Isn't it? So 1 by 4 of x means what? X by 4. And what is the next fraction? Similar way, 1 by 8 of what? Understood? 1 by 8, I am just doing the rough here. Otherwise, you will not understand. One by 4 of x means what? X by 4. Again, 1 by 8 of x means what? X by 8. In this way we will go. Again, 1 by 16 of x means what? X by 16. So yes, I can write it as like this: x by 4, x by 8 and x by 16. Isn't it? So all these portions were cut off from the cloth. Okay, so I can write the next statement as the total length of the cloth the total length of the cloth that were cut off is what? The total length of the cloth That where cutoff is will be what? The summation or the addition of these portions, cutoff portions, isn't it? Understood? Because why we will do the addition right now? Because my statement is the total length of the cloth that where cutoff is what? X by 4 plus x by 8 plus x by 16, isn't it? Now you just do the calculation of the addition. Okay, so let's see. First of all, you will take x common and you will be left with 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16, isn't it? Now do the calculation. What will be in the denominator? You will get 16 only. You just do the LCM. That I will not do. Okay. If you find out the LCM, you will get 16 as the LCM result. Okay. So I can write 16 in the denominator part. So what will be? 16 into how much is 16? 4 plus 2 plus 1. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 means what? 7. So 7x by 16. Isn't it? Is this part clear to everyone? The addition one. The addition of the fractions. LCM you have to find out in order to do the addition. LCM is 16. So 4 into how much will be 16? 4. 8 into how much is 16? 2. So I have written 2. 16 into how much is 16? 1. So I have written 1 here. And x as usually outside the bracket. Okay. So my result is 17x by 16. Sorry, 7x by 16. Now the last part. The portion of the piece of the cloth remaining is what? What was my original length I have assumed? X. So x minus this cutoff portion, it means 7x by 16. Do the calculation. How much will you get? 9x by 16. Okay, meter. Okay, so